Oh. Going up, please. Do I have any... Nope. What exactly do I have in here? I have absolutely nothing useful, except a flashlight and a lighter. What the fuck am I supposed to do? Alright. Cool. Hey, I got a map. Oh, what's this? Oh, what?
Just speak one little phrase and I can pull you out of there. No, cut the dramatic bullshit, Crowley. What do you want? The stone card me. Just tell me you'll give it to me. Or must I be content with watching you dissolve into that black filth?
Oh, what?
You have 10 seconds. Fuck off.
Wait, no, give him the stone!
Give you something to think about.
I don't want to die. God, I hate dying in this game. Edward, you suck. Uh-oh. Oh! Woman's... Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no! What am I supposed to do? No, it got me! No! Damn it! Damn it! Crombie? Shit. I wasn't paying attention. Shit. What am I supposed to do? Am I just supposed to be, like, guinea pig for a while? Don't do that. Dude, can I have the option to give him the stone? I want him to take power of this. I don't... No! No! No, that's what got me last time! Pissed! Fuck! I wasn't paying attention! I hate this black crap. Seriously, I hate the mucky mud. Alright. Alright. Okay. Hey, you need me. Just remember that. Because if I die, you lose the stone forever! Bastards! They knew I was gonna turn around! You think by now I'd figure out which way the light goes, but no, each time it's a... No! Who almost had me? No! Not today, Mr. Crowley. Oh, shit, don't do that. No! 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 Oh, no! Stop me! I got stuck on the pipe thing! It gets me every time. It gets me every time when I go by that pipe, because I always get stuck on the pipe. You think I'll run out of lives? Well, thank God this game's not like, oh, you only have... Oh, no! Blink all you want. I know that you never actually go out, Sonny. You're... I got in you. No. Ha-ha! Sucker! Oh, shit. Oh, no. Which way are you going?
Are we having a nice walk in the park?
No!
So obedient. My dog could take lessons from you. Son of a bitch. Oh, fine, you win. Lower the fucking rope already.
Could have done that in the beginning. And you wouldn't have died like 5 times. Loser.
I grow tired of chasing you, Carnby.
Shoot me.
You should have been dead.
My jacket's fixed itself.
Sexuality is one of my strengths. Give it to me. Please. Not so fast. I want some answers first. Don't play games with
Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Drop it. Do it. Drop. Drop it.
The stone deserves better than that ridiculous prophecy. Not be an inch of a fool.
I only have a minute. Come on, hurry up. Give me options. Press A to drop. I should do it. What the fuck? Oh no! No! It's that dragon thing that didn't approve of my kiss earlier. Yeah, you turn on it. You turn on your light. It's probably a monkey. No! It's gonna get me. What just happened? The lightning hurt it? Oh, and we're gonna die. Is it dead? Oh, Jesus. What's happening? I should be dead. Oh, I'm dangling by the helicopter rope thing. Oh, that's safe. Jesus.